Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Radeon RX 6800 Gaming 16G. After that search your graphic card, then click on the product and then click on Radeon Gaming 16G and then click on support. Select your operating system, Windows 7, 10, 11. So all the operating system installations process same. So all operating system driver download and installations process same. So this is your driver, this is size, this is versions, date also, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading. It will take some time and depend about your internet speed. After that, click on three dot and then click on download. Then it is completed. Then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that, this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that, this is installing. It will take some time and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system.